Hello traders, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, bonjour, bonsoir, mes amis, guten Morgen, guten Tag, guten Abend. For those of you who are new to us, we are the TSTW at 24 traders, and our website is www.stochastic-macd.com. The title of this video is Day Strategy, MACD, Day Strategies, MACD, alright? This video is about a day trading strategy using the MACD indicator. MACD stands for Moving Average Convergent Divergence. For this strategy, we want to combine the hourly chart and the 15-minute chart. All right, using the standard MACD 12-26-9. When one is using a trading method or a trading strategy, one must adhere to the rules of the system. All right, very, very important. Hourly chart and 15-minute chart. We are looking for the setup on the hourly chart, and we are looking for the signal on the 15-minute chart. All right, the technical indicator that we are using for this day trading strategy using MACD, okay, is MACD, the standard MACD 12-26-9. If one has changed any of these criteria, one is using a different day trading strategy. All right, very, very important. Another thing I need to mention to traders: if one wants to use this day trading strategy, okay, with but MACD, one must employ it during the first 3 hours when London, New York, or Hong Kong, okay, is open. So when London is open, or New York is open, or Hong Kong is open, within the first 3 hours, we can implement this day trading strategy using MACD by combining the hourly chart and the 50-minute chart. So I want traders to understand this clearly, all right, because if you are using a trading system or you want to adopt the mindset of professional trader, you need to have a bit of discipline. Hourly chart, 15-minute chart, standard MACD 12-26-9. When should we use this method? During the first 3 hours when London or New York or Hong Kong is open. Okay? All right, let's move on. So we go first to the hourly chart. We will draw what we like to call, okay, converted support and converted resistance level. All right? Now, we are not drawing any other support or resistance level. Very important. We are drawing only converted supports and converted resistance levels. All right. What is a converted support level? Okay. A converted support level is a resistance level that has turned into a support level. So, you see here, I have on the hourly chart of the Euro Canadian dollar, on the hourly chart, a converted support levels. You see here, it was a resistance level because you see the price rally up to the red line, find a resistance come down, went back to the same red line, find a resistance come down, went back to the same red line, find a resistance there, come down, went back to the same red line, find a resistance come down, but finally that resistance level is converted into support here. The price finding a support here. So this is now, you see here, find a support, find a support, find a support. It went a little bit below here, but find a support above the previous resistance level. This red line here is what we call a converted support level, a resistance level that has turned into a support level. Very, very important, okay? A converted resistance level is a support level that has turned into a resistance level. All right, a converted resistance level is a support level that has turned into a resistance level. So let's see if we have one example here when a support has become a resistance level. All right, let's go for instance to the 2-hour chart. But for this strategy, we must find that converted, support level on the hourly chart, not on the 2-hour chart. Okay? But I want to, for the explanation of what is a converted, okay, support level, a converted resistance level, instead a converted resistance level. A converted resistance level is a support level that has turned into a resistance level. So this is a converted resistance level because you can see that the price found a support on these blue lines, but finally it has become a resistance right here. Price breaks below it, retests it, and validated the blue line as a resistance level. Alright? This is a converted resistance level. So at this point in time, now we know that this is a converted resistance level. But before that, it was not clear, it was not a resistance level, it was only a support level. But at this point in time, as the price starts going down, we know as the price retested it here, okay, we will examine whether this is okay, a converted resistance level. A converted resistance level is a support level that has become, okay, a resistance level, okay? A converted support level is a resistance level that is converted into a support level. All right? So you want to understand that. So we'll go to the hourly chart and we will draw either a converted support or a resistance level on the hourly chart. Once we find one, we will switch to the 15-minute chart and we will buy at what? We will buy at the converted, okay, resistance level. Because a converted resistance level is a support level, okay? Converted resistance level is a resistance level that has become a support level. So do not get confused, okay? When we're talking about converted support level, converted resistance level, it is a support level. A converted resistance level is a support level. A converted support level is a resistance level. Don't get confused, okay? So whenever we add converted to the support, think of resistance. Converted resistance is equal to what? A support level, all right? Converted support is a resistance level, okay? Don't get confused, okay? Don't get confused, okay? So we will draw it on the hourly chart, and then we will switch to the 50-minute chart. We want to buy at a converted resistance level on the 15-minute chart, and we want to sell at a converted support level on the 15-minute chart using the standard MACD 12, 26, 9. So as I show you now, let's start again. So here we are on the hourly chart. Hourly chart. We have seen what is this? A converted resistance level, the red line. Now the price for the support here, we draw it here, okay? So we see now, we draw it on our chart. We can draw them all, either converted support or converted resistance level. And then what do? We switch to the 15-minute chart. All right, here we are. And we wait for MACD to cross above the signal line. That's it. Here it is. This is a buy signal here. Okay? All right, see, run it, pull back a bit. So if you enter up here, say a little bit for day trader 61 down to, it's a big gap. If you buy here, you will end up losing fast. So you want to buy it on near the converted resistance level, very close. If you went too far away from it, be patient, okay? So you see here, it went a bit far away from the red line. On a 50-minute chart, be patient. You want your stop loss to be behind, okay, the converted resistance level if you are buying. But you see here, it went a little bit too far, so you need to be patient a bit, all right? Or select another low-risk entry point. So here, if you buy like this, when it ran away from it, because you see here, MACD was crossing here, you want to buy very close to the converted resistance level, very close to it, so you may have room to hide your stop loss below it, 20 pip behind your stop loss. For day trading, don't use too many stop loss, okay? 20 to 25, maximum 30, all right? Depending on your risk tolerance. This is not, okay, a trading advice. This is just, okay, how myself, my trading style, the type of stop loss I use. I do not impose my trading style on other traders. So yourself, you make your own, okay, decision, okay? But the point I want to make, you want to buy near, very close to the converter resistance level when MACD is crossing above the signal line. Here today, on the, you see, it was beautiful trade today, and it will run up, all right? If you want to sell, we want to sell near a converted support level. Remember when we say converted support, it's resistance, okay? Converted resistance is what? Support level. So whenever you see converted resistance, think of the opposite of a resistance. Converted support, think of the opposite of support, okay? Don't get confused. Clear that in your mind once and for all. So you want to understand that. So you want to understand the definition of a converted support level, all right? And a converted resistance level, okay? All right, so you will draw them first, just draw all the converted support and resistance level on the hourly chart. You can go on different, so this is the euro Canadian dollar. We can go on the hourly chart of the euro dollar, but we want to pay attention to the economy news. So I don't want the video to be too long. We talked about other things before, paying attention to the economy news, use the top-down trading method, select a low-risk entry point. I'm not going to go to all this blah, 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 blah again, all right? So you assume that you already watched this video, some of our video at George Rio YouTube channel, and also at stochasticmoney.com, and you know what we are doing here, okay? So unless you are new, so familiarize yourself with what we are trying to do before you rush into it, okay? So here again, if this is the euro US dollar, so this is what? A converted, okay, support level. Price was a resistance before that has turned into a support level on the hourly chart, and then we switch to which time frame? Not 10 minutes, not 5 minutes, but what? 15 minute chart. Okay, and you see it crosses here, but you can see that the price was a little bit away from it. But if you decide to buy like this, you see, didn't pull back at all. It's hanging up there. There's a risk that it may, like you see for the other one. So if you are taking this one and a runner is not very close to it, use tiny stop loss. Looks like 15 stop loss. So if they take you out, you go away. All right. This is about risk control. All right. It makes sense. If you see here, this one, it went away from the where we want to buy. So it's a bit tricky for us because we want to buy very close. You see, it's almost 50 pips, 50 pips away from okay, the converted, okay, support level, you see. So, going through this, we want to, either we can combine, we have to find another trend line because we want to minimize our risk for a day trader. We want to achieve consistent winning trade and minimize our risk. This is how, these are the two goals of a day trader, okay? All right, minimize. So you're drawing this trend line here, this point and this point. Now you see that, okay, it pulled back here and now it crosses here. So because it's far away from the trend line, but I want to enter the trend, I will instead use this trend line. But I know that it's hanging up there and I will use a tiny stop loss. I will not use 30 pip here. I will use 15, maximum 20 pip because there's a risk here. I want to buy near, on or near, okay, the converted support level. So this is about risk management. Top-down trading method, buying at a low-risk entry point or selling at a low-risk entry point. So if it goes away from the point where we want to buy, either converted support or resistance level, and it's hanging up there, which is a bit risky, draw a trend line and find another better place. And if it's a little bit risky like this, control it. Use a tiny stop loss. And here it is, it ran up again. Hourly charts, converted support and resistance level, we draw them. We switch to the 15-minute chart. MACD crosses above its signal line at a converted, okay, support level, we buy on a 50-minute chart. Okay? MACD crosses below its signal line at a converted support level, we sell. Now we want to control the risk. We are combining the hourly chart and a 15-minute chart. We want to buy the support level, You want to sell at a resistance level. But the best time, repeat, the best time to apply this strategy is the first 3 hours, within the first 3 hours, when London or New York or Hong Kong is open. So very often professionals, what they are doing, when a market is open, London, New York or Hong Kong is open, the way they will wait, okay, pause for 30 minutes, is to examine the first orders, check our website, stochastic.com, click on day trader, click on day trading strategy, click on day trading, and you understand what's going on. All right? I would like to mention to traders that one must, for every strategy, this is why we say to TSCW24 traders, you purchase our system, first 2 weeks, spend time, don't use any money, just sit down, trade it within the correct time frame, not during the gap period. Have any question, get back to me, ask me direct question. This is what has happened, all right? And then I'll get back to you. That's what we are doing, okay? Talking about the learning curve, it's not because one purchases a trading system one day, one will start trading like a professional traders. Want to control the risk, you guarantee stop loss, control the risk, steadily learn to day trade like a professional traders. You'll find, okay, various recording at the George CEO channel, all right, at the Day Pro Traders channel, at 248 Wave channel, where we are busy not talking about trading, but showing traders exactly what they need to do to improve their day trading and swing trading. This is about, okay, day strategy, MACD. We are talking about, okay, a day trading strategy using MACD by combining the hourly chart and the 50-minute chart when one is drawing converted support and resistance level on the hourly chart before switching to the 15-minute chart using the standard MACD 12.26.9 crossing above and below its signal line. We want to apply this strategy during the first 3 hours when London or New York or Hong Kong is open, all right? And we want to buy on the edge. But we want to buy very close to the converted support or resistance level. But if it's away from it, you want to control it with a trend line and manage the risk carefully, all right? We are in charge of the decision that we are making, and we want to improve our trading skill. The best approach is to test, retest, examine the system, okay? And, okay, until you own it, all right? If you like this video, it's very important. Give us the thumbs up. You dislike it, very, very important. Give us the thumb down. But write something down. George, I disagree, or blah, blah, blah. It was not clear, something like this. Recording was poor, or something like that. And we will improve our recording. If you truly, truly love this video, please share it on Google+, on Facebook, and also Twitter, so other traders also may learn something from it. We are busy sharing, and we encourage traders that are following us also to share the thing that they like, so other traders also may learn from it, okay? The market is always there, okay? If you share it, the most important, if it's not confidential, you can share it. But if it's confidential, never share anything confidential on the web, okay? All right? I hope you can learn something from this video about, okay, day strategy, MACD, that you will put into use, okay, to make excellent, okay, a day trading decision. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW24 traders talking about day strategy, MACD. Speak to you soon.